So I wanted to quickly run through what a typical day should look like. Obviously, you can switch these activities around in any order that you'd like, whatever's easiest for you. You have the schedule that shows you what the expectations for that day are. The best thing for the kids to do is to check Google Classroom in the morning. Each morning, I will make sure that I have a message posted with a reminder. They will also be able to find what they need to work on for reading that day in the classwork section. So the stream will have a message just giving them some information about the day, saying hello, good morning. Under the classwork tab is where you will find the assignment. So yesterday we started learning about your main character, which will be worked on yesterday and today. If you click on it, you will see that there are two things underneath. So the video is the mini lesson that they're to watch, and then the form is what they would fill out after they do their reading. After that, if you go on to Quizlet, all right, so this would be their word work. Right now we are working on 21. So to find 21, you can click on the class. All right, so your screen will look a little different than mine, but here is Unit 21. If I click that, the same way that the kids would, you see that there are all these tabs down the left-hand side. So the one, they're expected to, or the schedule shows that they should complete one each day. It probably wouldn't even take them 10 minutes to complete one, so they can work ahead if they want, but you know, we tried to keep the expectations low so that the kids could easily finish their work each day. All right, so day 1, you'd work on flashcards. Day 2, the kids would complete learn. Day 3, write. Day 4, spell. And then by the 5th day, they would take the spelling test. So every Friday will be the Quizlet test for that group of words. After that, in the afternoon, we would have math. So your screen looks much different than mine, but when the kids sign in, there's a huge box that says to do. Now, I went through moving forward and tried to rename all of the assignments so that they're a little bit easier to see the difference in. So you can see that here are the assignments 7.1. The next assignment, of course, will be 7.2, and it will follow along. I renamed each one A and B. So as they start to complete them, you can see that I can see that some students are working on them, some students have completed them. Same thing with the information for the series books, the Google Forms that I put in. So I hope that makes it a little bit easier to know how to follow the schedule or where to find the work. If you have any other questions, just let me know. If there's any suggestions that you guys have on how to make this a little bit easier for you to manage, just let me know either through Parent Square, or you can just have the kids make a comment on the Google Classroom page. Thanks.